Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something that's become a hot topic in the crypto world: transferring Litecoin from Coinbase to Revolut in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your assets for better management or just exploring options, this guide will walk you through it step by step. It's quick, secure, and easier than you might think, but always remember to handle your crypto with care to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified account on Coinbase with some Litecoin in your wallet, and a Revolut account that's enabled for cryptocurrency. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get those sorted. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Let's dive in. Start by logging into your Coinbase account on your preferred device. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your Litecoin balance. Click on it to access your wallet options. Now, look for the Send or Withdraw button. That's your gateway to transferring funds. Next, head over to your Revolut app. Go to the crypto section, select Litecoin, and copy the wallet address provided. This is super important, so double check it to ensure there are no typos. Back in Coinbase, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, and don't forget to review the network fees. 2025 might have some updated rates, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Once you're good, go ahead and authorize the transaction. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use the appropriate network for Litecoin, like the Litecoin network, to prevent any errors. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to transfer Litecoin from Coinbase to Revolut in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.